This time to share the advantages of Magnesia ball press. I hope to help you. A Magnesia ball press roller adopts high hardness material, wear resistant and durable. The equipment compress magnesia into balls, high yield, high hardness. 2 Magnesia ball press low energy consumption, simple and convenient maintenance, a multi-purpose machine. 3 Magnesia ball press material extrusion effect is good, high pellet rate, high pellet strength. The roller surface of 4 Magnesia ball press is made of synthetic manganese steel, which has good use effect, long life, roll diameter selection range is large. The equipment can also be designed according to customer needs, roll diameter and machine power. 5. Double shaft reduce the structure, improve the accuracy of Magnesia gear using hard tooth face gear, improve the performance and life of the reducer. The 6 Magnesia ball press adopts pipeline transportation to transport the magnesia powder in the dust collector bin to the storage bin of the equipment. Closed pipeline transportation process will not cause dust pollution.